I'm Celeste Silling. I work for Gulf Coast Bird Observatory as the Education and Outreach Director. Surfside is really special because we have places like this and also the beach. We're right near a lot of wildlife reserves and places that are perfect habitat for birds like this. I got my degree in biology and I really fell in love with birds especially, and getting people connected with birds and nature is a really key part of conserving birds, protecting birds and their habitats, getting people knowledgeable about it. See how he's skulking back and now you can't even see him, punches down. For me, somebody who's passionate about nature, Surfside is really great because of the wetlands, the beach, where you can see some dolphins and different animals that you wouldn't see anywhere else.